Damn. Ma'am. No, ma'am. We don't. Hmm? Hey babes, welcome back. So today I wanted to share my Sephora summer must-haves. These are beauty products that I feel like are essential for the summertime. So I have 3 to 4 categories. I have makeup, skincare, body care, and a little bit of hair care. So we're gonna get right into it. Let's start out with some makeup because I think it's my favorite. The first summer essential for 2022 is definitely a lip oil, and these are 2 of my favorites. These are both from Dior. I love a good lip oil. Lip oils are just so pretty. They look so juicy. A lot of them do also have other benefits like nourishment and just hydration for your lips, and they're super quick to throw on your lips. Some of them do have a tint of colors. These are shades 001 and 12 in the Dior lip oils. Love them both. I definitely believe the hype is real for these. The next summer essential is definitely a bronzer, and I have 2 that I've been really into. This first one is from Norris. It's the Norris Laguna number 4 bronzer. I've also been really into the Charlotte Tilbury cream bronzer, and this one is in number 4 deep. I think these are both really beautiful cream bronzers. This is the Charlotte Tilbury one. Do not mind my fingerprint on there. It looks crazy. And then I'll show you guys the NARS one to see the color comparison. These are the 2 next to each other. They are very similar in shade, as you can tell. The Charlotte Tilbury is definitely a little bit deeper, but they are very close in proximity in terms of like the color. This next product is in between a bronzer and a glowy product, which I do think are essential. So this is the Makeup by Mario. This is his Soft Sculpt Transforming Skin Perfector. It's a radiant skin powder, and you can use this all over your face or you can use this on your cheeks. It's just a beautiful powder. It bronzes as well as gives you a beautiful glow. As you can tell, like it has a little bit of a highlight right here, which is so pretty. And then this section right here is more of a bronzer. I love this stuff. I am obsessed with it. I've used it every time I've did my makeup since I purchased it. It's been a staple for me. Blotting sheets, y'all. These are essential for me. I have oily combo skin, so blotting sheets are a must. These are from Rare Beauty and they come in this cool case. It has blotting sheets on this side and then a little puff on this side. It also has a great mirror so you can see yourself blotting your face away. And I think this is definitely an essential for anyone with oily combo skin. If you're going out and you want to use a small clutch, you could definitely take this section out. You can take this part out, or you can take just the puff, whatever you choose, and you can just have that in your purse. And I think these are essential because whenever I don't have blotting sheets, I'm going crazy. Okay, next we're gonna get into some base products. So primer, foundation, or tinted moisturizer I should say. The first product is from ETHNICITY. If you watch any of my recent videos, you probably know I was gonna mention this product. I've been using this as my primer because it really helps control my oils so well. It also adds a little bit of color under my foundation or tinted moisturizer. So I think it's just a perfect product for the summertime. I definitely recommend this if you have oily combo skin. Give this a try because it's really good. If you have dry skin, I'm not so sure if you would like it, but for oily combo girls, try this out. Days where I'm not using that product, which are very few days, I do use a mattifying primer, and this one from Milk has been one of my go-tos. This is their mattifying primer and it's really good. So I use this all over my face on days where I'm not using the ETHNICITY balm. For tinted moisturizers, I have 3. The first one is from Rare Beauty. This Rare Beauty Positive Light Tinted Moisturizer. This one has SPF 20, which is not much, but it does have a little bit of SPF in there. Easy Drop is always a go-to for me as of like, I guess last summer when it came out, but I've just really been into this for the summertime. It's just one of my favorites to reach for when I'm doing summer looks. It just looks very natural and lightweight. And then this YSL product is that girl. This is the Bare Tint. This is the Bare Look Tint, and this product is definitely my favorite tinted moisturizer in my collection. I think it works the best for my skin type. My skin really enjoys this product. So I do too. It's just really good. This one is really good, y'all. I don't know what's in here, but it's really good for my skin type. I have 2 more makeup products and then we're gonna move into the next section. So I definitely have to mention this setting spray from Charlotte Tilbury. This is the Airbrush Flawless Setting Spray. This is that girl. If you want your makeup to stay on all day, look at where I am in this product, the bottom of the bottle. It's just really amazing. It helps my makeup stay and last all day long. These two are a dynamic duo, y'all, for the summertime. The last makeup product is gonna be a blush. I love a liquid blush for the summer. These Rare Beauty brushes are my favorite. This one is in the color Hope. The one that I use the most is the color Love. I have no idea where I put it, so I'm just holding on and I'm just holding up a different color to show you guys the reference. I love the Rare Beauty liquid blushes. I think they're so amazing. I think they're perfect for the summertime because they last so long, and it's a cream liquidy product, so it's not gonna give you it's not gonna look extra cakey on your face in the summertime. Those are my makeup recommendations. We're gonna move into some skincare products, and the first thing is gonna be hydration for me. Okay, summertime, you're outside in the sun, your skin is getting dehydrated because it's hot AF. Okay, so hydration is key. This is the Summer Fridays Deep Hydration Serum. I've been really into this Summer Fridays Deep Hydration Serum. I think it's amazing. I use this at night when my skin is feeling kind of dry and dehydrated. I also use it in the daytime as well. I'm down here already, and I literally got this a couple months ago, so you know the love is real. Sticking with hydration, I also have this face oil from Pharmacy. This is the Honey Grill face oil. It's another hydrating product that I love using. Since I do use a retin-A and other products that really dry out my skin, even though it's super hot and you get oily and sweaty, just being out and sweating so much is literally drying out your insides, so your skin is gonna get drier, well, at least for me. So I do use this oil at nighttime whenever I feel like my face is a little bit drier, which recently definitely has been. Like right here I have a little dry section going on, so I've been using this at nighttime, and it definitely helps take it away for at least a few days before it comes back. Next up is sunscreen. Okay, sunscreen is an essential. These are two that I've been going in between from Sephora. This first one is from Summer Fridays. It's a newer release, and it's the Shade Drops Broad Spectrum 30 SPF 30. It's a mineral milk sunscreen. I do have acne prone skin, so mineral sunscreens are better for my skin type because they cause less breakouts, and I do like using mineral sunscreens more so than not. Yeah, I prefer to use a mineral sunscreen, but on days where I'm not really wearing makeup and I don't want my sunscreen to be showing, because these can leave a little cast on your face, what I like to do is use these pretty much like 90% of the time, and then I'll just put a powder over it so that you don't see the white cast, or like the slight cast I'll call it, because it's not necessarily white with this one. It's like a slight cast. So anyways, on days where I'm not wearing any powder foundation or any powder over the sunscreen, I'll use this one from Glow Recipes SPF 50, and this one actually looks really pretty. I love the pink bottle. This bottle definitely speaks to me because I love this color. And if I'm being honest, when it comes to sunscreen, y'all, the thing that makes me use it the most is knowing that it helps with my hyperpigmentation or any acne scarring that I may have, acne spots. It definitely helps with that. So that's really my motivation for using the sunscreen, because I didn't grow up using sunscreen. I mean, I feel like most Black people did not grow up using sunscreen. And what I know now, I would have used it from years ago. I would have used it when I was a teenager, because I had a lot of acne scarring because I had acne as soon as I hit puberty. So I think that this would have definitely helped me along the way, knowing what I know now. Moving on to some body care items. We love a good body care situation in the summertime. So I'm gonna start out with this product because this is a splurge when it comes to body scrubs. I feel like it's a treat, okay? It's one of those times when you want to treat yourself and get something that's really nice and luxurious and smells amazing. This is the Way Scalp and Body Scrub in the scent Barts, and it smells so good. Not only does it smell good, but it works amazingly. It lathers beautifully. Your skin feels so smooth after using this product. It's an essential for me. Like, I really do enjoy using this scrub. I've gone through a lot of different body scrubs, but this one, this is that girl. Next up, I have this moisturizer. This is from Josie Maran, and it's the Whipped Argan Oil Moisturizer. When I tell you this stuff is amazing, it's so good, and I love it in the summertime because it has a glow to it. This is not a regular moisturizer, okay? It's a whipped oil, so it's gonna give you a nice glow. The one from Fenty is also really similar to this. Had I not tried this before the Fenty one, I probably would have just stuck with the Fenty, but I tried this one first and I fell in love with it. I was already hooked on this one, so I tried Fenty. I loved it, but once I was done with the tub, I went back to my Josie, okay? You also do want a nice body oil in the summer, and this one from Cora is definitely amazing. This is the Nani Glow body oil, and I just think it's so beautiful on the skin. It just gives you a beautiful glow. It's so pretty, and this is from Miranda Kerr, I believe. This combo right here will get you ready, okay? It will get you ready for any summer activity. Period. I have 3 more body care items. The first 2 are from Sol de Janeiro. I think that's how you say it, but I have the cream and body spray. These 2 smell delicious, y'all. They smell so good. This smells so sweet and beautiful and girly and just feminine for the summer. I love it. And this cream is definitely different from the Josie Marin. It's more of a cream, and it doesn't like, it's not a whipped oil, it's a cream, so it's not gonna just glide into your skin. You do have to work this in. This cream does have collagen in it, so it's gonna help perk up areas like your décolleté area, like right here. This serves a different purpose, but it also smells different, and it's a different experience. I will say, if you're gonna get this to go with it, because together it's a dynamic duo, okay? The last body care item is this Tom Ford spray. Now this spray, I have had this for literally years, and I whip it out every single summer because it is essential. And I've literally had this for years, guys, and look how little the bottle has gone down. Maybe I'm being generous, I don't know, but I feel like I use a lot of this and the bottle is not shifting. I tell you, obsessed. I am literally obsessed with this stuff. Not only does it smell good, but it looks amazing, and it just gives you the most beautiful glisten. It's just so pretty. It's an experience. It's a very luxurious experience. It smells amazing. It smells like luxury, and I really enjoy this product. So the Soleil Blanc is my favorite. I think he actually came out with a deeper shade since this one launched a few years ago, so I'm gonna look into that, because one thing about me, if it comes in a deeper shade, I'm gonna get it, okay? Oh my gosh, I totally lied to you guys. I have one more body care product, and then we're gonna get into perfume. So this product is super, I never thought I would be buying this, but hear me out, y'all. I was on TikTok, okay, and the girls were talking about self-tanning, and I was like, what? Self-tan? Ma'am, no ma'am, we don't. It's all about the look that it gives. It's a different look. It's not necessarily just your complexion. It's like your complexion, but better. And I've been really enjoying this, as you can tell. I've used quite a bit of the products already, and I've had this for literally like a week and a half. So the main reason that I got this is for my chest, because my face is always exposed to the sun and my chest is not, I guess. It's just significantly lighter. Also, my face has had acne for years and years and years, and has a lot of discoloration, which my chest didn't. I use this on my chest. I used it twice already in the past week and a half, and as you can tell, my chest matches my face a lot better. I don't know if you guys know what it looks like before, but after is amazing, okay? Sometimes I used to use powder on my chest to make it match better, like my foundation powder, but this has changed the game because I don't need to do that anymore. Like, it's given matchy match. So this one is from the brand Tan Luxe, and it's the body version. There's a face version and a body version. I don't need the face version, but the body version is what I need, and I got this in the shade medium dark. This is an area where I messed up right here. You can kind of see the comparison. This is the self tanner, and this is my actual complexion, so you can see like it has a significant amount of color to your skin, and I think it works really well because the proof is in the pudding. Don't mind me, y'all. Okay, so we're gonna get into fragrance because a girl loves a fragrance, and I did do a summer fragrance recommendation, but this video I'm just gonna include a couple. In this video I'm just gonna include a little couple that I've been into. This first perfume has been one of my go-tos. This is Si Passion Eclat from Giorgio Armani. I've been really into this. This is the definition of summer in a bottle. It smells delicious. I recommend you try it out because it's so pretty. I love the scent. Perfume from Tom Ford. It's called Soleil Brûlant. This is something that I feel like is an acquired taste. I feel like it's not something that it's not gonna be everyone's cup of tea. I already know it. Like, I can just tell. But it's one of those things that if you like it, you like it. If you don't, you don't. Tom Ford fragrances are very tricky. I feel like you have to acquire the love for all of them. I have never smelled a Tom Ford fragrance and thought, this smells amazing. It's always like an afterthought. It's always like down the line, days later, months later, years later, I keep smelling it at Sephora. I smell it on someone else and I'm like, wait a minute, this actually smells good. I do also love the Soleil Blanc perfume. That one smells beautiful as well. And then this perfume from Dolce called Lily is definitely a staple for 2022 summer. It's a beautiful scent. Like, you just want to smell like this. I don't know. Like, I don't know who would want to smell like this. It just smells so good. The next section is hair care, and I have a few items, literally just 3, that I wanted to share with you guys because I'm not big on hair care. I'm not big on hair, but there's some things that I really love. And the first one is from I think this is called Color Wow. This is a spray that you apply before blow drying your hair, and it's gonna give you the most shiny, smooth, amazing looking hair. The blowout is on another level when I use this, and I really enjoy it. Whenever I use this for my blowouts, I get a ton of compliments. It just makes your hair look super shiny. It says that it magically transforms your texture, and it has amazing humidity proofing powers. And I believe it because it's amazing, and I love the way my hair feels when I use this. It just looks like salon quality. This product is also from the same brand, Color Wow. This is definitely unnecessary, girl, but if you're extra like me, you will get caught up buying things like this. It's a pop and lock high gloss finishing product for your hair. It has frizz control and UV protection as well, so that's definitely important benefits to note. But if I'm being honest, the reason I got this is because it's literally glitter for my hair. It's not full on like glitter kitty glitter, but it has sparkle to it, and it looks so pretty on your hair. It makes your hair just look so shiny and sparkly. I really enjoy using this on my hair. Maybe I should add some right now. It just adds a lot of dimension to your hair that was not there before, so I definitely enjoy that product. The last hair product from Sephora is going to be a leave-in conditioner. So this next product is a leave-in conditioner from Mizani. It's definitely one of my favorites. This is the 25 Miracle Milk product, and I use this for leave-in conditioner purposes. Leave-in conditioners are a hair product staple for me, so I definitely like to include them in my routine. So yeah, I love this one. It's really, really good. All right, y'all. So these are all my summer beauty essentials from Sephora. Thank you so much for watching, and definitely comment down below some of your summer beauty essentials because I want to know as usual. And I'll see you guys in my next video.